Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to change your shop vac filter. Before we dive in, safety is paramount. Always unplug your shop vac from the electrical outlet to prevent accidental startup. Next, gather your supplies: a brand new filter, a sturdy trash bag for the old one, and perhaps a small brush or cloth for a quick clean. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated space, as changing the filter can kick up some dust. Now, let's get to the old filter. First, unlatch the top of your shop vac and carefully lift it away from the main canister. You'll see the filter, usually a large cylindrical component, attached to the motor housing. It's often held in place by a cap, a wing nut, or a simple rubber gasket. Gently remove this securing piece, then slide the old filter straight off. Immediately place it into your trash bag to minimize dust exposure. With the old filter out, take a moment to clean the interior. Use a damp cloth or a small brush to wipe down the inside of the canister and the motor housing, removing any lingering dust or debris. Now, grab your new filter. Before installing, give it a quick check for any tears or damage. Carefully slide the fresh filter onto the motor housing, ensuring it creates a tight seal. Reattach the securing cap or wing nut, making sure it's firm but not over-tightened. Almost done, carefully place the top of your shop vac back onto the canister, making sure all the latches click securely into place. Now, you can plug your shop vac back in and give it a quick test run to confirm proper suction. To keep your shop vac running efficiently, remember to clean your filter regularly. Tapping out debris or washing a washable filter can significantly extend its life. For very fine dust, consider using a filter bag or pre-filter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.